What's up guys, my name is Joey, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce how to add product reviews and Facebook posts into your abandoned checkout recovery email by using Robosell. So go to integrations and you can see we support two review apps right now, and they are stamped.io and judge.me. So I'm going to show you how to connect these two apps to Robosell. So go to the admin panel of stamped.io and click settings, click API keys, copy and paste the public key and private key to Robosell and click save. So congrats, you have connected your stamped.io account to Robosell. And you can remove the connection simply by clicking the remove button. And now let's switch to judge.me. So go to the admin panel of judge.me and click settings, click integrations, and click developers, and again copy and paste the public key and private key to Robosell and click save. And then I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook page to Robosell. So click add page button here, log in your Facebook account, and click add settings. Just choose the page you want to connect, and click next, click done, and that's it. And after all these integrations, you are now able to insert the product reviews and Facebook posts into your email content. So you can go to automation, choose the incentive coupon email, and click add it. That would be cool if you can send out voice of customers or Facebook posts along with the coupon. And I will take the review block as an example. So you can drag the review block into the email and choose select from app. So here we are, Robosell listed all the reviews from your review app for you to choose. And you can switch to manual mode to modify everything on your own, including the title, the content, the avatar of the customer, and the star rating, also the product image. And that will definitely enrich the content of your email and help you recover more abandoned checkouts from those customers who really cares about reviews. So that's it. If you have any problem using our app, you can leave the comment below, and I cannot wait to offer you the help. So see you next time.